Hey guys, welcome back to JSLovers YouTube channel. Today's topic is the most confused yet most important topic, classes in JavaScript. This video is the series of the ES6. If you are the developer who is starting the JavaScript development from ES6, for you this is the most sorted topic. But if you will compare it before ES6, this is the most confused one. Why? Because there was nothing like classes in JavaScript. Now, anyone who is coming from the OOPS background, for them it would be very, very odd. But we JavaScript developer used to fake out the class concept in JavaScript by using the function and the this operator. So as I mentioned before also, ES6 is here to save our life, to make JavaScript more readable, more easy, less to help us in writing less code. So this ES6 class operator is there to help. But before that, I will show you that before ES6 how we used to write the classes, and then we are going to see that how you can use ES6 classes keyword. Okay, so before ES6, I know this look like a function to you, which is it. Obviously, it's a function. But whenever you are going to make a class, you need to make the first character of your class capital. This is a rule in JavaScript before ES6. Now, I want two properties in that, which is name of the superhero and its power. So what I'm going to use is this operator. This name equals to name. This dot power equals to power. What is happening here is right now I have made a class with the name superhero. It is kind of blueprint which always have the name and power property. Now whenever I use this class to make its instance, I can pass any name and any power in this. So now let's use where Iron Man equals to new superheroes. Now name is Iron Man, power is, let's say, brain. Now if I will console this, if I want to access this, see, Iron Man. Similarly, I can make as many instant I want. I want it for Superman, and I'm saying Superman, and again Superman. Cool. This is how you pass the properties in the class before ES6. Now if I want to make any method, what I can do here is this dot speed equals to speed, name the method calc, let introduce one this, and now I'm saying it's 20, and console. Oh, my bad, I missed the function call. Cool. So 200. So this is before ES6 we used to make our classes. This is how we used to make our properties. This is how we used to have our methods. Now, as you can see, if you are a new developer coming on board, it is very hard for you to understand, okay, this is superhero is a class, because most of the OOPS language has a class keyword. So ES6 actually introduced the class keyword, which is a huge improvement over this. So let's see how the class keyword, how in ES6 these things work. Let me comment this out, and the first thing I will do is write the class keyword. Same superheroes. What I want here is I want to make the first, let me make a method, and I'm saying I fly. The same way. Iron Man equals to new superhero, and all I need to do is Iron Man dot, let me clear the console also and call this method I fly. So if you will compare, it is very easy to define. I'm not using any this operator, I'm not doing anything. Now this is how you write the methods. If you want to have your properties, you need to use constructor operator in this. Within constructor you need to pass options, and now this dot name equals to options dot name. This dot age equals to options dot age. These are my properties, these are my methods. Option has all the properties I will be sending to my class. So now how I have to call it is name Iron Man, age 1 million. Example, it's just an example, don't take it seriously guys. So now I will just console this thing here, and I want to know its age. That's it. Awesome. So this is how you write your classes in ES6. This is the syntax. Now finally we have a class keyword, so whenever a developer is coming on board and looking at the code directly can tell you, okay, this is the class. Then this is the way through which how you define your methods, and this is how you define your properties. This remains same as in ES5, only the way we are passing the property is getting changed here, because we are passing everything in options here. Cool. So this is all about the ES6 classes. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up. Do share with your friends who are learning JavaScript or ES6. If you have any question, do let me know on comment section. Thank you guys.